morning, all the students. Standard 6, Chapter 5, Subject English, Unit 5, Invention. Now we will be covering Activity 7's exercise workbook activity. In the last video हमने Activity 7 का अभ्यास किया हुआ था, वो समझी हुई थी. इसके बाद हम Invention. Now let's start our Activity 7's workbook activity. All the students, open your workbook, page number 58. Read the following text carefully and answer the question given below them. First question है, how can you say that the smart bell invention become very popular? हम कैसा कह सकते हैं? आंसर आएगा, we can say that the smart bell invention become very popular because a newspaper of England published a report on it. न्यूज़पेपर का जो रिपोर्ट था वो ये रिपोर्ट जो है वो पब्लिश किया हुआ था उसमें. देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट हैपन्स इफ नो वन फ्रॉम इनसाइड द हाउस आंसर वंस द डोरबेल इज प्रेस्ड. आंसर आएगा, if no one from inside the house answer till 10 seconds after the bell is pressed, the smart bell dials the owner's mobile phone. Then third, with the use of existing mobile phone technology, what does the smart bell do? स्मार्ट बेल उस टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या होता है? स्मार्ट बेल कैसे वर्क करता है? आंसर आएगा, with the use of modern technology, the smart bell itself dials the owner's mobile numbers after 10 seconds of pressing the bell switch. It can also create a small amount of white noise. वो क्या करेगा कि ओनर को 10 सेकंड के बाद कॉल करेगा. देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसी तरह आपको सॉल्व करने हैं तीनों क्वेश्चन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ साउंड डज द white bell make smart bell produced, and second, why does the visitor not doubt that the owner is not at home, and the third, how did Lawrence get the idea of inventing the smart bell? And also you have to fill up the third para's question also. How will the smart bell help to prevent burglary, and when did the idea of smart bell by Lawrence come into light, and third, what did Lawrence do to show his idea? Lawrence drew designs to show his idea. Okay, then second activity, select the most appropriate option from the option given as answer to the question given below and write its relevant number letter in the provided box against the question. First question है, when the smart bell is pressed and if no one answer after 10 seconds क्या होता है? Option A, it soon dials the owner's mobile phone. Then second, the white noise makes the smart bell sounds like option B, an intercom. Then third, Lawrence's mom did not like blinds while she was away from home. Answer आएगा option C, to miss deliveries. Then fourth, from the idea to help her mom, Lawrence got another idea that his device, option C, could stop burglars. And then fifth, the burglars will not know the house is empty because soon after 10 seconds Option A. The owner of the house will able to answer through his mobile phone. Then sixth question. What did Lawrence do to show his idea? Option A. Draw a design. Designs के थ्रू वो उसके आइडिया जो है वो शो कर पाएगा. Then seventh. Where was Lawrence's idea taken from? Materialistic. Option C. To a company that made a working models from designers. Here question answer are completed. The next activity, exercise 3. Put a tick mark right in the box against the following statement if they are true and cross marks if they are false. यानी कि true false. First sentence. The smart bell dials the owner's mobile phone after 10 seconds. It's also false. Then second sentence. The smart bell has a built SIM card. It's also a true. Then third sentence. The white noise makes the smart bell sound like a mobile phone. मोबाइल फ़ोन जैसा साउंड नहीं था. इट इज़ अ फॉल्स. देन फोर्थ सेंटेंस. With the use of smart bell, the burglars will soon know the house is empty. It is also right. Then fifth. Less than 6 months after the model was built, several other big companies are ready to sell smart bell. Less than, not 6 months, less than 12 months. It is false. Then sixth sentence. The smart bell waits 10 minutes to see if house owners are answer. It's also a right. Then seventh. The smart bell has built a SIM card. It is also a true. Then eighth. The white noise makes the smart bell sounds like mobile phone. It's also false. Then ninth. The visitors cannot tell that owner is not at home because the smart bell sounds like an intercom. It is also true. Then last 10th sentence. Lawrence helped by creating a way for his mom to talk delivery workers even when she was not at home. It is also a right. Then in the grammar क्या करना है नेक्स्ट में. फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डू द एक्सरसाइज. देयर आर द मिस्टेक्स of spellings and punctuation, capitalization in the text. Can you correct them all? Punctuation mark के साथ पूरे पैराग्राफ को लर्न कर रीराइट करना है उसके नीचे दी गई हुई स्पेस में. कैपिटल लेटर जहाँ पे नहीं हो वहाँ पे आपको करेक्ट करना है, स्पेलिंग करेक्ट करना है और पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए. देन उसके बाद के क्या है. द पर्सन टाइपिंग द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट वॉज टू लेजी टू कैपिटल लेटर्स ऑफ मैक स्पेस. कैन यू करेक्ट हिज वर्क फ्रॉम हिम. अब क्या करना है, जो नीचे दी गई हुई स्पेस नहीं है वो वहाँ पे आपको स्पेस डाल के पूरा रीराइट करना है, पूरा पैराग्राफ को ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स के साथ वो भी आपको करेक्शन करते हुए. उसके बाद है सेक्स चेंज करना है. अगर दिए गए एग्जाम्पल के अनुसार वो भी आपको कंप्लीट कर लेना है. यहाँ तक आपको पूरी एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करके रखना है. थैंक यू.